Coming to UNH, I knew there was a lot of research going on. I didn't expect to get involved as early as I did.
What really stood out to me was the ability to participate in undergraduate research as a freshman right off the jump.
We've created this thing from scratch.
The students that come out of the program have strengths that typical first-year undergraduates don't have. The Innovation Scholars program is a hands-on research and innovation experience for first-year students. This program really sets UNH apart from other institutions because it gets first years in the door doing research and innovation on day one.
I'm part of the advanced manufacturing cohort, and we are working on designing and creating modular fish tanks. I'm a data science major, so the whole manufacturing side of things was definitely outside of my comfort zone. But that's kind of why I decided I wanted to do that sector, because I figured it was kind of a really cool opportunity for me to try something completely new.
I've definitely been able to benefit from a lot of close relationships with my professors, specifically Dr. Lingqing Li, who leads the biomaterials and tissue engineering lab. He's opened a lot of doors for me.
These students have a unique experience where they learn skills the first semester, take on a new project of their choosing, and then culminates in presentations at the undergraduate research conference in the spring.
I think that UNH really does a great job at helping undergraduates succeed in research. And I think that's a great skill that Innovation Scholars instills in students. Being able to do that in your first year sets you up great for internships and for professional success when you have to do these kinds of presentations.
I would recommend the Innovation Scholars program to people who are motivated and want to do research. I think that it serves as a platform for direct entry into any sort of undergrad research lab, and I think you'll be able to have an impact